The child doesn't know when. You are giving a full story that requires a mental image formation here, which is not there. Practical, then in the book, so that they understand when you are saying who. Before we expect them to answer, we keep comparing to another kid. We keep feeling depressed, irritated, then we want it, then we ask, we don't get the result, we get further, but we didn't put in the effort of, we're only expecting, na? I've seen many speech therapists say, okay, once there was a crow. The crow was thirsty. The crow needed water. For Christ's sake, the child doesn't know what. The child doesn't know who. The child doesn't know where. The child doesn't know when. Yeah, you are giving a full story that requires a mental image formation here, which is not there. There is no image. When I'm talking, you can form an image in your head, each one of you, of what I'm saying. Now, suppose I started talking in a foreign language that you don't know. Will any image form? Why? Because you will not understand what word means what. That's precisely with our children. That's why echolalia. So you say something, they will agad-bagad repeat it. क्योंकि कोई mental picture ही नहीं बना. Right? तो mental picture बनाना कैसे? Like I say, Rajni's work is very simple. I am only teaching. No magic. Only teaching. छोटा कर दो, सिखा दो. Hard work डाल के, yeah, practice डाल के. So what? Then who? Then where? Then when? Then why? And then how? You don't have to teach. It happens automatically. I'll show you how. You will take 200 things of the house: pen, pencil, chammach, katori, curtain, cushion, pillow. 200 things. Okay? हर चीज के पीछे पड़ जाएंगे बेटा. बोलो. This is apple. Apple is red. I eat apple. Apple is fruit. Now, if you are doing apple, banana, guava, papaya, now you pick up another fruit. What is the likelihood? Obviously 4 to 5 sentences, because only one keyword is changing, na? The system, you installed it here. So, like that, what? After that, you will start with who. Who is sitting, and then put names there. Sunita auntie is sitting. Okay, who's eating? Dadi is eating. First, practical, then in the book, so that they understand when you are saying who. Before we expect them to answer, we have to ensure that they understand. Right? Then you go to where. Okay, where is this, where is that, where, and teaching where, you will carry them along. So you are taking off clothes from the clothesline. Okay, so then say where we will keep the pins in the box. So you open the box and put the pins. Yeah. Where we will keep milk, you take the milk thing, open in the fridge. Where we keep chappal, under the bed. Every day, English, Hindi, mother tongue, whatever. But keep doing, prepositions. Where is it? In between, in front of, behind, like that. Yeah. After you've taught where, you go to when. Now, when is intangible. You can't touch it. You can't feel it. Okay? You can feel it. Dhoop hai to when? Afternoon. Yeah? Where you can see it. You can, put your hand inside, in, under, on top of, beside. Okay? When say it becomes intangible. So, when will Papa come? Then you put the curtain aside and show night time. So, Papa will come in night. Yeah, evening, whatever the equation. Okay, when will we go mall? And you put Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, say Sunday. So today is Sunday, you're showing on the calendar. Like this you teach when? Today, tomorrow, day after, all the concepts, months. Okay, so after when you teach why. How do you teach why? Everything that the child is saying, just put a why. पानी चाहिए, क्यों? खाना चाहिए, क्यों? And then you say the answer. मम्मा को बोलो भूख लगी है. हाँ? पेन चाहिए, क्यों? मम्मा को बोलो क्योंकि लिखना है. Over a period of time, about 150 to 200 things, the child will figure out the meaning of क्यों. Cause, effect, because. Why, because. When you reach this level, like you're saying separately, we are asking, he's doing. Yeah? After that, you will model giving an answer. And then you will ask the child to give an answer. Okay, so I'm presently working one of my quantums, that what you did in school. Yeah, so the mother shadows. So the mother shadows, she sent me everything in written. Yeah, so we have done what, who, where, when, why, how. And now I'm like, so you went for computer class or you went to see a giraffe? Very stupid answer and one actual answer. I went for computer class. Good. So you have to tell this. Now see, you have to tell like this. So you are saying the full thing. Then you are saying, beta, ab teri bari. Getting me? You are modeling it. Before you expect, first give. Yeah? What we do is very unfortunate. We keep comparing to another kid. We keep feeling depressed, irritated. Then we want it. Then we ask. We don't get the result. We get further. But we didn't put in the effort of, we are only expecting na, that Sharma ji's son is doing, he should also do. Are kya? Hello, Sharma ji has other set of problems, forget him. Yeah, you focus here, your problem. Yeah.